Introduction to the Employee Retention Credit Program.
Hi everyone, John here. Welcome to this video series on the Employee Retention Credit Program. In this series, we'll explore how this program can benefit your business during these challenging times. So, let's dive in. The Employee Retention Credit, or ERC, is a government program designed to help businesses retain their employees during the COVID-19 pandemic. It's a refundable tax credit that can provide significant financial support to eligible businesses. In the upcoming videos, we'll cover everything you need to know about the ERC, including who qualifies, how to apply, and the funds available. But before we get into the specifics, I want to invite you to click the link in the description below or visit this shortened URL, bit.ly/BLSreferral. There, you can find more information about the ERC and even schedule a phone call with me. So, let's get started with video 2, where we'll discuss who qualifies for the Employee Retention Credit. I'll see you there.